Turning our attention to northeast China, which is experiencing its worst drought in 63 years.
And you need water, and water is really the point that is missing at this point because there is enough.
ఒక ఎకరం పసుపు మరో ఎకరం మొక్కజొన్న సాగు చేస్తున్న తీవ్ర వర్షాభావ పరిస్థితి.
Beralih ke kabar lainnya pemirsa, kekeringan melanda sejumlah kecamatan di Kabupaten Pati, Jawa Tengah.
Dari 38 kabupaten kota, 24 diantaranya berpotensi kekeringan. Beberapa titik bahkan sudah mengalami hari tanpa hujan hingga 72 hari.
In recent times, with the unsafe weather, climate change, and overpopulation, there has been an increased amount of demand for water supplies. With it results a lot of issues to industries around food and droughts around the world. Water is an essential part of our lives and the lives of other living organisms. Without it, humans, animals, and crops will get dehydrated and die. To conclude that, we've comprised a solution in the form of a product.
AWG, or the atmospheric water generator, is an ingenious act of saving the world population from the issues of water deprivation. With water being demanded, we create a product that allows one to make water out of nothing. It's called condensation. Condensation is a process of water which is collected as droplets on a cold surface when humid air is contact with it. With the power of condensation, it allows us to take air from the atmosphere and transform it into water.
Its design is made to suit its purpose of water condensation. The AWG is divided into three parts: top, bridge, and bottom. Now, start from the top. At the top, there's a turbine that is around half a meter made from stiff plastic. The turbine spins around to create a wind current around the object. Then, the heatsink inside will direct the wind to go inside the body. To make sure the temperature is suitable, we've added an item that is used to make sure the heat inside is precise. The item is called peltier. After that, the wind will get transported through the bridge, which is around 2 meters, made from aluminum. Inside the bridge, the air will get condensed. While it's being transported into the gallon, the water gets stored and it's condensed the residual air left.
Now, you are probably thinking, how does the condensation work? Do you know that the temperature underground is way colder than on the surface? So, with this fact, we are going to take the hotter air on the surface and it will turn into water underground where it is colder. Okay, now let me give you some example. Have you ever put a cold glass of water out in the open and look at the result? Water will appear outside of the glass. It's caused by the difference of temperature inside and outside of the glass. This accident proves that condensation can create water out of air.
And now for the production pricing, we've got a couple of materials per product with, first of all, an aluminum case, 1000 gram, with the price of 88,400 rupiahs. Next there's a steel case, 2000 gram, 55,000 rupiahs. Stiff plastic turbine, one each with 50 times 15 centimeters, the price of 33,500 rupiahs. And a heatsink, each with 75 times 3 centimeters, the price of 55,000 rupiahs. And then a peltier, each with the price of 26,000 rupiahs. An electrical grid, one set with the price of 67,500 rupiahs. And then a jet pump, each set with the price of 105,000 rupiahs. To sum it all, there's a total of 300 products per month with the price of 430,400 rupiahs times 300 equals 129,000 120,000 rupiahs. Now, next there's a labor per month with 26 million rupiahs. All of them adds to a total of a subtotal of 155,132,000 rupiahs divided by 300, which equals to a 517,106 rupiahs. Next, for the sales, we got an income, quantity, and price with a product price of each 750,000 rupiahs and then a capital of each 517,106 rupiahs equals with a profit per product of 232,894 rupiahs. Next, for the target sales per month with a quantity of 300, we got a price of 225 million rupiahs and a capital of per month 300 quantity 155,131,800 rupiahs and a total profit of per month with 69,868,200 rupiahs, and all of that with a product break-even point with total cost divided by sale cost with our 155,131,800 rupiahs divided by a 750,000 rupiahs equals to a 206.8. We sum it up with a 207 of a product break-even point.
Okay guys, thank you very much. That's our product. We hope that our product may help those people in need. Thank you. Bye.